Hey guys, Allie and Aiden here, and we got this 5-pack of mesh laundry bags, and they are really sturdy, really durable, and they hold a lot of clothes in them. Now these come with a zipper, and once you fill them up, you just zip them closed again and you throw them right into the washing machine. Now these are great. I use them all the time for baby clothes. I want to make sure, especially these little hospital hats, I want to make sure that all the baby clothes stays good and doesn't get ruined in the washing machine. So I just throw a lot of the baby clothes right in here, throw them in the wash, and they come out just like new. I also put a lot of delicates in here because it keeps the integrity of the clothes longer so that they don't get thrashed around by all the other clothes in the laundry, or it doesn't ruin them spinning in circles. It keeps them nice and secure right here in the bag, but allows for them to get a good deep clean so that they are good to go. There is 5 in a pack. So if one is being used, or if you need multiples for that load of laundry, you have 5 here to use for that load of laundry for whatever you need to put in here. Now, if you're not using them, they do fold up very nice and compact, and you can store them right in the laundry room here or wherever is best for you so that they're easy to grab the next time you want to do some delicate clothing and you want to keep them as good as new. Go check these out.